I'm going to show you how to crop images into a circle shape in Canva. This is a great way to add a creative touch to your designs and make your images stand out. First, upload the image you want to crop into a circle shape. To do this, click on the Uploads tab in the left-hand menu and select the image from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, select it by clicking on it. This will open the image in the editor. Next, go to Elements and search for Frame. Canva has lots of frames here. Select Circle and it will be brought up to your workspace. Next, drag the uploaded image into the frame. And here it is. You can also rearrange it by double-clicking on the frame. It will be cropped into a circle shape. You can now customize your design by adding text, shapes, or other elements. Use the drag and drop editor to add your desired elements. And that's it. You've successfully cropped an image into a circle shape in Canva. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.